The name of my story is What is So Great About an Estuary? Common thoughts on what estuaries are. Some people think that estuaries are just useless areas of land covered in water and grass. Some people believe that the animals in an estuary are not important to our ecosystem. Many people think that the water in an estuary is fresh water. What is an estuary made up of? An estuary is made up of a mixture of salt and fresh water called brackish water. Estuaries have many different types of plants, such as smooth cordgrass, and it is vital for animals' survival. Oysters are an important part of an estuary because they take in the pollutants in the water and put out clean water. The first image is a picture of smooth cordgrass, and it provides shelter for small animals like crabs, birds, mammals, and reptiles. The second image is a picture of an oyster bed. What are the main functions of an estuary? An estuary is like a sponge. It soaks up the excess water, such as after a flood or a heavy rain. Estuaries are also like a strainer. They take out the pollutants in the water through the use of smooth cordgrass and oyster beds. An estuary is also like a bed. It's a safe place for animals to rest. Next, an estuary is like food. It's a great source for food for animals and people too. More than 80% of the food we eat comes from the estuary. Finally, estuaries are a great place for animals to have and raise babies. Estuaries are like nurseries for baby animals and provide protection from exposure and from predators. Estuaries are a home to many different animals. Fiddler crabs, pelicans, the great blue heron, roseate spoonbills, royal terns, ospreys, manatees, and egrets. Estuaries are important. Estuaries provide habitat for birds and fish and crabs. Young and old, animals and plants alike can thrive. Estuaries provide humans with food, and estuaries are a safe place for animals to live.